Hello, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If there's a first time of seeing this channel, do it by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button. You don't need to pay for it, it's free. Alright, so thanks to all my old subscribers and thanks to the potential subscribers. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beautiful shopping bag. Okay, so it can serve as a shopping bag. You can keep your laptop in it. All right, so and it's a multi-purpose bag. So what is the measurement? Okay, the measurement is 11 inches by 14 inches. 11 inches by 14 inches. All right, and the handle, okay, I'm using this belt and the belt is 16 inches each. All right, so this is 32. I'm going to be dividing it into two and then we'll be fixing the handle this way. You need two pieces of this, okay, for the front and back, and then the side, okay, the side strap is 4 by 40 inches. 4 by 40 inches. Okay, so the next thing you to do is to fix your handle. So you fold it this way and fix your handle. All right, after fixing your handle this way, you turn it this way and bring this hand up and you top stitch it. Do this, that's all. So this is what we have. The next thing is we'll proceed to join the bag. So do this. You sew it from one end to another end this way. Fold the remaining back stitch it. Okay, so the next thing to do is to also bring the second side like this, join it together, sew it from one end to the next end. Okay, alright, so it's as simple as ABC. So our bag is ready, so you can enjoy your shopping bag. Yes, if you're able to make one, let me see in the comment section. Comment in this comment section that you're able to make this. So the good thing about this is you can customize it, you can put your picture and make it look good. Alright guys, so thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, click on the like button. Alright, comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Happy Christmas in advance. Thank you.